So let's go now. What was that? Tell me. Did you complete all this one? 3D? Huh? Okay, let's now today we're gonna find out the square root of a number by long division method, right? Right now? 3e, I think. Yeah, 3. Put your hand there, 3e, everybody. Put your hand there. Put your hand there, 3e. Bhai, listen ahead. Read out the headline only, bhai. Evaluate. It means we have to evaluate all these numbers. We need to find out the square root of all these numbers, right? When the word is saying the evaluate, or now you can see the radical sign is there, and the square root of an. Okay, what happened to you? You're feeling cold, cold fever. Oh, no problem. It will be okay, inshallah. Ta'ala. Oh, by the today is the first Ramzan. Do you know that? Yeah, yeah, yeah. By the way, the Afan, you are performing Tarawih. Actually, you already everyone. Yesterday he was actually the kiddat was good. I was listening. I loved it. Day by day it is divided. I mean, surah by surah or chapter by chapters. Like the 114 chapters are there, na? Para. So para is called chapters. Huh? Chapter upon chapters. 140 chapters are there, na? How many chapters are there in the Quran? 114, 113. 114. Half para every day. Whose turn is today? Whose turn today? It's yours. Half para today. Huh? Do you remember that where he stopped yesterday? Huh? Or from there you have to start from? It is the way? Or something else? What is it? Oh, looking at Sunnah. Okay, no problem. It's okay. I was thinking the whole concept. I think. Okay, no, it's okay. No problem. It's not a big deal. Actually, it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Okay. Yeah. Afan, are you free after Asanamas? You're free. I want to come for the Ampara. Actually, with you. Huh? Let me talk to the Sat today. Do you feel energy in that time? Okay, you can tell. Actually, if you're feeling energy after Asad today, by tomorrow, I'm gonna come inshallah. What time do you wake up? I mean, after after in the afternoon, in the evening actually, because you sleep all the time. You sleep now, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. When do you wake up? For the cinema? For 25, for 40, for 40. The namaz will be started. I think 40 or 45. It will be ended and 5 o'clock. So I have only 30 minutes. It means I have to come 5 o'clock because 5:30, 5:35. No, no, actually, only 30 minutes are there only. Because 5:30 is after time I think today. Yeah. So feel today, okay? You can tell me tomorrow in the morning, okay? If you feel energetic, okay? Because I feel energetic all the time. I don't have any problem. No problem. Because no, if I come there and you will say that I want to go and sleep, that's not okay. No, I want to read actually from Ampara. I want to learn actual tasweez. What is called tasweez? No, makharis. What is called makharis? What does it mean that? Huh? Am I kidding with you right now? Why you all just talking like this way? You're just all laughing and kidding me like this way. I'm damn serious now talking about this one. And even all this nonsense you all. I'm just telling you now the word what is called makharis. What does it mean that? Pronunciation. Makharis. Oh, it is called pronunciation. Thanks for helping me today. Badala, you're a good boy. The makharis are different from places to places. Like for example, Tamil people will study like this makharis, and Gujarati people will study like this way. Same, they will study the same. Somehow the tone will be tone. I mean, like a sound problem. For example, Tamil people, will speak like this way. Gujarati people will say, or the American people will say, like they will say. Accent. Oh, accent different. Thank you, boss. Accent different. No, no. Okay, no problem. Even though all the things are same. I want to learn actually. Yeah, that's great. Let's feel today. Okay, good. By tomorrow, inshallah. I'll talk to the sir today. Don't worry about this one. 5 o'clock means 5 o'clock. Yeah. Upon Kirat is good here actually. Yes, of course. Yesterday night I was listening. I was outside. I'm sorry. I felt very good. I felt like tranquility in the yesterday night actually. The Imam Sahib was good, also good. His name is Saad, I think. Yeah, he's good. Close to my home. Yeah, there's a mosque there close to my home. It's very nice. Yeah, feeling good actually with the people. All the people were very quiet yesterday night, and it was noticed to the children that you cannot fight WWE in the before starting the performing. Now Imam Sahib actually he stood and said to all the children that if you want to do the WWE, well, he was not saying WWE. He was saying if you want to fight, you can just go now. Okay, all the children, and even all the children are very obedient students. Obedient children, if you can say that. They were the whole tribe. They're quite together, but in the last moment they could not just control there because whole frustration. How it is possible that in this Ramzan 2026, how it is possible that we are the generation, Gen Z generation. How can we do that? Even the last moment, they went outside and then they started to like their own kirat, started outside, their own concept. By the way, no problem. It's okay. No problem. Feeling good. But all they were very excited yesterday. All the people of my, all the roommates, what it's called. They were very excited. They were going here and there, and they were. I don't know. They were going outside with a bike, and they were very excited. And let's go. I was relaxed. What do you mean? What is that? That's very simple. What does it mean that? Why is it so excited? Well, of course, we should actually. I mean, there should be. We should be very excited. Yeah, of course. Let's go. So, guys, today we're gonna learn the how to find the square root. What is that? How to find the square root. How to find the square root. Now, today we're gonna learn the how to find a square root of a positive number that are given. All these are positive numbers. When we are dealing with the positive numbers, because the square root of negative numbers is not possible this time. Okay. So learn very simple question. Let's learn the very basic questions. First of all, we will start with the very basic question. Okay. Very basic question. First, 6 2 5. Got it? 6 to 5. Very basic question is there. We know everyone, and we know how to solve the question. Very basic question. What is the square root of 625? Let's learn by the division method. Okay. Now we will say long division method. Okay. You can just write long division method. We're gonna do like this. Let's learn everybody. Actually, we better make the pair from this side, from right side. Okay. Do you know that? We make the pair from right side. Right, wrong? Tell me now. So what we do, we just take a number here. We take a number here, and the same number we have to take the upper and the lower. Okay. We'll take the number here. So for example, if I'll take 3, so I have to take the 3 as well. We have to take 3 as well. Okay. Now 3 3 is 9, and 9 is greater than the 6. If I'll take 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 4. So 2 here 4. It is close to the 6. If I'll take 1 here, 1 1 1. Okay. 1 1 1. So 1 is it will be 1. Okay. And 1 is very less than the. I'm talking about the 3e. Read out. Read out by 3. 3e. Is this? Okay. Now, so we need to find out the square root. Perhaps most of you know about this one. Let's revise actually. Revise division time. So we will take 2 here, right? Wrong? We will take 2 here, right? And we will write the 2 here, right? 2 2 ja 4. We draw a line like this way. Okay. And after that we have to subtract. What will you get, guys? 2. And now after multiplying, whatever comes, we just write here. After adding, we just write here 2 plus 2. And always keep in the mind 2 plus 2, we have to write like this. We have to take a place here a little bit. We need to put the place here. That's very important, right? That's very important. We need to put the place here. That's very important. Okay. Get your point? So what we are doing now, what we are Tell me. We will say, so now in the division, what happens? We just write the one of the digits, but in the square root, we just write the two of the digits, okay, from the total. So here we have to write the both the digits, okay, 2 5, okay. Any problem? Now in this time, we have to choose a number here, whatever. Now we can say there, this is filling the blanks, okay. 2 plus 2 equal to 4, okay. 2 ja 4, 2 plus 2 equal to 4, okay. Don't be confused. 2 ja 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So now we need to put a number here, whatever the number we will put here, and the same number we have to put here. Now the that number we have to check that what number should come here, okay, and what number should be written here, right? We need to check this one. So how do we check this one? Actually, by the calculation method that we need to calculate in our mind, even in calculate in our mind, or we can calculate anywhere in the rough copy, whatever we want, right? So now in this time, you'll say, sir, 4. Just tell me, what will you choose? Okay, everybody knows the 5 will come. By the way, we will go like this. Well, let's check with the 4, right? Because we need to do calculation. I told you that we need to do the calculation, right? Okay, we just choose a number. We just pick up a number, whatever comes to mind. Okay, and always keep in mind we cannot put 0. We cannot put 10. Always we have to put no we sorry, we need to put always we put or always we pick up from 0 to 9. You cannot say the train. Cannot write the train here. No, absolutely not. This is not the place of the train. It is the place of the 0 to 9. Either we can put 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. We cannot put the train here directly, right? This is not know the concept of putting the number here in the long division method by finding the square root, or for finding any division, or doing any kind of division in the square root and a cube root as well. So now in this time, you will say 4 4 is 16, carry 1, 4 4 16, 1 17. The 1 is 17, now the 225, and 176 is close to the 225. Perhaps I don't know that. We have to check one more time. And less than, sorry, less than 176 is less than 225. Tell me now, less than now. So now in this time, you will say, sir, I wanna do something here. That's very important, right? That we need to understand game here. That's very important, okay? So now in this time, we will say, so let's put the 5 here, okay? Got the point? Any problem? No, multiply, everybody, multiply. So guys, 2 to 5. So guys, we will just write here 5, and we will just write a 5, right? 5 5 the 25, carry 2, okay? And 222, right? Any problem, guys? So now in this time, it will be 0, it will be 0, it will be 0, right? Or no? Now you can see there the whole number, the 625 exactly divisible by 2 times of 25. Okay, 25 times 25. Now you can see there we got this portion. This part is the answer. Okay, this part is the answer. So we can say that square root. You can just write all the things, hands, fans, everything. This is your work. Okay. So guys, what do you get, guys? 25. Any problem? Very simple question. It's very simple question. Let's do one more question. Okay. Let's do one more question. What we are talking today, we are finding the square root. Okay. Now let's do the simple question again. Now let me just write here 1296. For example, we need to find out 1296, square root of 1296. Okay, 1296, right? Now you will say, sir, 21296. Now we can make the pair. We make the pair from this side. From this side, okay? We make the pair from this side, right? From this side. Don't worry about this one. We will take some more questions from your book. Then we can understand better what we are talking today. So now here again we have to choose a number here. Again we have to choose the digits here. We should not say we can say number. Actually we should say the digits, because we are picking up the digits. Okay, two digits, and the five, these are digits. Okay, we should say the digits. But even we can say these are the single digit numbers. So we can say the numbers as well if you want. You can say that. But 0 to 9 and all these are numbers as well as digits. How can we call these are numbers? These are single digit numbers, right? We can say that these are single digit numbers. One more time. One more time. Now you tell me, help me out. What will you choose here? Why can't you choose 4? So yeah, the guys will choose 3 3 ja 9. So we just write the 9 here. Got the point? So guys, what will you get here? 3. Any problem? No, 3 3 ja 9, and 3 plus 3 equal to 6. And just leave a place here. Don't write, sometimes what we do actually 3 plus 3, we just write the 6 here, and we don't have any place here, right? No, that's why actually we can do that. But problem is here, we need place, a space. Okay, we need a space there to write some other numbers, right? So guys, what we have to do here, 3 plus 6 equals 6. Now we have to copy both this one. We have to copy both this one. Any problem? No problem. Now again we have to, now this is the place of something. This is the place, this is space of our number. Okay. Now 0 to 9 we have to put something here. Now we have to put something that will satisfy, this number, okay, or close to the number, or we can say the equal to the number. Whatever the number you'll pick up, that should come close to the 396, or we should say the less than the 396. We cannot go the more than the 396, right? Now you tell me, help me out, huh? Because you know that 6 will come. By the way, no problem. Let's multiply. If I'll take 6 here, okay, 6 is a 36. Carry 3. 6 is a 36, and 3 39. So guys, the 6 will come, okay, and 6 will come. Any problem? So guys, it will be 6. Now you will get 396. Any problem, guys? So now in this time you will say it's very easy. 1290. Bhai, you can just write solution given everything. It's your work, okay. Now understood the point? Very simple. Huh? Tell me now. It's very simple. Now these are questions, very simple questions to find out the square root of this one. Actually, problem comes along when the some other number comes and a big number comes. Okay. Now try to understand that third number. Put your hand there. Now I'll take a number that is a little bit critical. Last number question. I'll take 9 number question. 104 10404, right? Any problem? Tell me now. So now in this time you will say, sir, we need to find out the square root of 10404, right? No problem at all. Tell me now. So now we need to find out the square root of this one. You will say, sir, let's go and find the square root of this one. You will say it is very easy. Let's do now. Okay. Now how will you do that? So let's write here like this way. Now in this time we have to make the pair again. That's very important to make the pair, right? Let's make the pair. We will just make the pair like this way. Make the pair like this way and make the pair like this way. Okay. Get that point? Get that point? Now there is a one digit. Now make the pair. Actually, we started to make the pair like. For example, we have 9. Now somebody tells you find out the square root of this one, and you are finding out the square root of this one. How will you do that? Then you will, first of all, we have to make the pair, because square root is, we need to make the pair. Why we need to make the pair? We'll discuss later. Don't worry, because you can understand by yourself as well if you want. Okay, if you can try. Actually, we make the pair like this way. 2 Ds. Get your point? 2 Ds. We make the pair with the 2 Ds, right? Get your point? Actually, we make to find out the square root by long division method. This is a way to find out. Do you feel me what I'm saying now? So guys, now in this time you will say so. So we make the pair. Now just you tell me. Just tell me what will you choose here? Huh? Yeah, of course you cannot choose the 2 here. If you cannot choose the 2 here. If you choose the 2 here, 2 to your 4, right? It will be more than the 1, right? So guys, we have to choose the 1 then. What? Somebody can ask, sir, why don't we choose the 0? Somebody can ask the question. Hey, yaar, actually problem is that because 1 is 1 also possible now. Because 1 is 1 job possible now. That's why we are taking 1. When the 0 will possible, then we will take the 0. Right now 1 is possible. That's why we are taking 1. Get that point? Okay. So guys, let's put the 1 here. Now 1 job 1. So guys, after multiplying, we just write here 1 plus 1, 2. After multiplying, we just write here. After adding, we just write here. Do you feel what I'm saying now? You're sleeping? When do you sleep in the night? Huh? Huh? 1 o'clock. And you wake up for the study as well. Oh, that's a hard task. That's great. By the way, no problem. Hard work, hard work. Bear this, bear this. I'm sorry? Ask me. So now 1 job 1. After now after multiplying this one, we just 1 job we just write here, and 1 plus 1, 2. Get my point? Don't be confused. Actually, what we do, 3 job 9. 3 plus 3, 6. Don't be confused. There's no point here. Yeah, it's 6 here. 2 to job 4. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. You will say, sir, oh, 2 plus 2 equal to 4 as well. Yeah, 2 job 2 plus 2 equal to 4. And it happens here. Don't be confused here. 3 plus 3 equal to 3 job 3 plus 3, 6. So guys, 1 job 1 plus 1 equal to 2, right? Now what we do actually, it is nothing. It is nothing. Now you will get 0 4, right? 0 4. Now I can see there whatever the number you choose here. Now, nobody will say, Abbas, Tuba, not speaking anything. Kamil, what do you think about this one? What do you think about this one right now? What do you think? 0 4 we have written that. What number from 0 to 9 you will choose here? What do you think? Now, what I'm saying, I'm just telling you, I'm asking you that, I'm asking you that, what will you just put here? Put here, okay? What do you want to put? I mean, 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9, right? Tell me now, what do you want to put here? Huh? You want to put here 1, right? Right? So 21, because we have to put the 1 here as well. 21 1 it will be 21 and greater than the 0 4. So what will you do? It wasn't to just keep quiet now. Anybody wants to say something? I'm sorry? Yeah, this one also. Okay. Okay. If we'll do this one, okay, no problem. If we'll do this one, if we'll do this one, because somehow you are perhaps a little bit you are right, because we have to. If you copy this one only, it will be 0 4 and 0 4. Whatever the number you will choose here, that will be greater than 0 4, and that's why we have to copy the 0 4 as well. What changes will come here or come here? What changes? Where the changes will come? Anywhere? Ching that. Anybody wants to say? We'll take 0 here. Okay, we will take 0 here. Then now we have to choose something. We have to choose something. Okay, 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 one second, one second. It means you are saying that let's copy 0 4 and we have copied 0 4 again. Because two times you are copied, because two more digits you are copied. That's why we have to do 0 here. Okay, now after that you will just tag something here. Okay? How many of you, it was John Smith, what? Well, if you'll not copy this one. Okay, if you'll not copy this one, then we'll tag 0 and then 0 again. Is this? Huh? It will be 0 0. Huh? Are you sure? So when the 0 0, should I write this 0? Huh? Oh, it means no, no. I'm just telling you, you have taken the 0 0 because you have written 0 here. So should I write this 0? Huh? It's okay. Huh? Okay. How many of you agree with this? She wants to do like this. I mean, so 0 times. She wants to take 0 times. Okay. When she will take 0 4 and 0 4 20 0 is 0. It will be 0 0. So you will get your 4 here because 0 minus 0 is nothing. Okay. Now after that, 4 0 4 will be copied. How many of you agreed right now? You agree. You agree. Do you have the explanation? Don't raise the hand just by somebody's raising a hand. Huh? You have the explanation. You have the explanation. Raise your hand then. You don't have explanation. To be honest, Abbas, it's true. You agree. Okay, fine also. You also agree. So it means we all are. Oh, that's true. Actually, what happens now? Actually, actually, try to understand the game. Actually, what is the game? Game is there. So if you take 0 here, if you take 0 here, absolutely we need to take because if you take the one time 21 1 it will be 21 and more than the 0 4, right? So that's why we have to put the 0 there. Okay. Now you tell me 20 zeros are, it will be 0, right? Wrong? So you will get 4 here, right? Tell me now. Now it will be 20 plus 0. Keep in mind. Tell me, guys. It will be 20. Don't be confused. 20 plus. Arey yaar. 66 plus 6. So 6 plus 6 it will be 12. 6 plus 1 it will be 7. Right? When the some more process would be possible here, so we would have done like this way. But there's no any possibility. So guys, don't be confused. So guys, 66 plus 6 is 72. So similarly, 20 plus 0 equal to 20. Don't be confused. Are you confused? Don't be confused now. You are saying, sir, 20 plus 0 equal to 20. What does it mean that? Right? 20 plus 0 equal to 20. What do you mean that? 20 0 is 0. That's why I told you. I was telling about this one. After multiplying, we just write here. We write here. And after adding both this one, we just write here. Don't be confused. So 20 plus 0 equal to 20. And just write some little bit there. Far from this line. Okay, little bit there. Otherwise, what will happen? If you just if you just write some other number, it will have the problem to write that. You have to write the very small. So guys, this time you need to just write like this way. Got the point, guys? Any problem? Now in this time, we have to copy 0 4. But somebody was telling me, you were telling me, actually we need to copy 0 4 and then 0 4 and just put the 0 here. It was not correct. If it was not correct, you can ask the question, why not correct? Don't worry about this. We're gonna show now. I'm sorry, the one. No, she was saying that only just write the 0 4 and just write the 0, this 0 4 and just write the 0 only. No, don't write the 0 here. She was saying this one. Okay, yeah, of course we need to put the 0 there. That's very important. Okay, you were telling you were telling me to write the 0 here. Okay, and then you will put directly here something, or you will just do the operation next, or here you will do the operation. Two times you cannot take. I told you the two digits cannot be taken together. Okay, no problem. Now, guys, you tell me what will you take, guys? You will take 2, right? We'll take 2, right? Tell me now, yeah. So the 2. So 2 to the 4, 2 zeros are 0, 2 to the 4. Any problem? Let me write in the proper way. So guys, it will be 4 0 4. Any problem? So it will be cancel out. Any problem? So guys, we can say 104 is equal to 102. This is the square root of 10,404. Any problem? We can check, cross check now. We can cross check now because 2 times of multiplication. Okay. 102, 2 to the 4, 2 zeros are 0, 2 1 2, 0 0 0. Okay. 2 0 1, right? 4 0 4 0 1. We can say that 10,404. Any problem? Tell me now. So guys, now this time the 10,404 is equal to 104, 102. Any problem? Tell me now. No problem at all? No, this is something. So this is a way to solve the question. Let me solve the same way some other question. Let me solve the same way. Other question. Let me just solve. Otherwise, you will be confused. Just tell me, guys. 12 1 92416, right? So guys, 92416, right? We need to find out the square root of this one, right? Tell me now. So how will you do that? You will say, sir, 1 second. 92416. We can put like this. We can do like this. Actually, we make the pair from the right side. Okay. Start to make the pair from the right side. Tell me now. Yeah. Okay. Now listen, don't put the pen there in your mouth. Don't do that. Now in this time again. So now you tell me. What will you do, guys? 3 3, yeah? Well, if we take the 2 2, it will be 4, and 4 is less than, very less than from 9. Okay, then the 9. Now we have to take the 3 3 yeah? 9. You tell me, guys, everybody. So it will be 0. Now after multiplying, we just write here. After adding, we just write here. Any problem? Tell me now. Now same game. Now we need to play the same game here. Now we have to copy 0. We need to copy 24. Okay, because 2 is copied. In the division, what happens if you copy the 2 digits? We have to type the 0 there in the divisor. Okay, quotient. I'm sorry, but in the finding the square root, if you're just tagging the 2 digits, there's no problem. Don't need to put the 0 0 there. Okay, you feel me? What I'm saying now? Okay, now just come here. Now you can see there whatever that you will choose here. If you do the choose 1, 61 1 it is very greater than the 24. It is very greater than 24, right? Tell me now, yeah. So what do you choose, guys? 60 60 60 0 0 60. It will be 0 0. It will be. So we are tying the 0 times. We are tying 0 times. Afan, are you okay? I feel cold. Why I feel cold? You want to take rest? Just go and take rest. So now in this time, am I cutting with him? You are laughing. Huh? You are laughing. Yeah, of course you are laughing. So guys, what will you write again? 24. Now copy it again. Now in this time, that's very important case right now. So so you have written that, and 60 plus 0, guys, what will you get? 60. Tell me, guys. 16. Okay. You getting a point? Now that's very important thing we need to track here. We need to track here. Whatever the number you will choose here, okay? Okay. No, because by putting a number here, like a child or like in the basic classes, there is no alternate. There's no formula type something or something. Right now we are just doing the, because all these are process. Otherwise there are so many tricks to find out the square root of something. When the competition class you will learn that but right now we are learning, we have to do the, we are learning the basics, so it means we have to do the calculations, right? You cannot say that, no, I want to do directly, can I think directly? Bhai, of course you can think directly. Do the calculation and practice, then you can think directly. But when the first time is there, do the calculations like a child. What do you choose here? Huh? 4 here. So guys, we'll put the 4 here. Okay. So now 4 4 ja, carry, 4 0 is 0. It will be 1. 4 6 is 24. Any problem? So guys, it will be 304. Any problem, guys? Tell me now. No problem? No problem now. Okay, guys. So here we can say what we can say here. So it's done. 92416. Guys, 304. So this is a way to find out the square root of any big number. Get my point? Let me take a big number here. Let me choose a big number. Let me find out a very big number. Okay. Then you can understand better. Let me take some big number. Okay. I'm sorry. 16032. 16032 16032 Okay, guys. Now let's put it eyes there on the board. Okay. Let's think how can I find out the square root of this number, right? Let's think about this question. You will say, sir, one second. First of all, we need to write like this: 016 now. So guys, 16032 right? 1 2 3 4, right now. Tell me now, yeah. We'll do like this. We have to make the pair. We need to make the pair. And finding the square root, we need to make the pair. Have we done right? 2 2 2 2. It's right? Any problem? Tell me now. Now, guys, what will you choose here? 4 4 is 16. Right? You tell me, guys. 4 4 is 16. Getting a point? After multiplying, we write here. After adding, we just write here. Any problem? Now, after that, it will be cancelled out. Cancel out. What will you copy, guys? 4 plus 4, 8. Get a point? If we take the one time here, the actual one, it will be actual 1 and greater than the 0 3. So guys, what will you take here? 0. So at is 0 0. What will you get, guys? 0. So here you will get 0. Get a point? Tell me now. So you will get no need to write the 0 here, directly write the 3 here. Okay? Because 0 0 minus 0, you will get 0. Okay? Tell me now. Yeah. So what I'm telling you now, we have to write the 0 here. Okay? Now 0 plus 0, 80 plus 0, you'll get 80. We have to put the space there. We need to type the space here. Okay? Little bit. Okay? Now after that, just put here. Now what will you copy? 20. What will be copied? 20. Now you can see there. If you put the one time again, so it will be 801 greater than the 320. Do you feel what I'm saying now? If you put the one time, now you can see that. Let's put the one time. Always we should start with the one to check that. Okay? Now if you put 801 1 jar equal to 801 and 801 is greater than 320. After writing a 20 here, because we need to, in the square root only the 2 D's are allowed. You're feeling cold? Sit properly. Take out your hand. This one also. Look at the board. Yeah, rock star is looking like rock star. Just do something like APJ Abdul Kalam. I'm talking about the hair. Here, rocking star looking like. Just do like this. Do like this. I can make a rocking star. So now you can see there, after copying 20, still after copying, whatever we are choosing here is still greater than, because 801 801 is greater than the 320 na, yeah. It's still greater than. So this is the breaking the rule of the square root. Breaking the square root. You tell me what you choose. Huh? 0. Did I put what I'm saying now? You'll choose 0, right? So 800 zeros are 0. 0 0 3 times. By any number multiply with the 0, what happens? 320. So guys, 800 plus 0, what will you get? You'll get what? 800, right? By 800 plus 0, you'll get 800, right? Any problem? I'm sorry? Yeah, let's put the 0 here. Any problem? Now, what do you mean no, sir? What do you mean yes, sir? Is there a problem here? Huh? So now you will say 16, right? We need to, because it is allowed, it is concept to find out the square root. We can just write the 2Ds. There's no need to write the 0, 0. Okay, now we need to choose a number here. Choose a number here. That should be close to the 32, okay? Now let's think that if I choose anything here, it will be 1000. Now it is 800. Now, by whatever the output, it will convert to the 1000. Now, if I let's think, it is 32,000, it is 8,000. So 8,000 multiplied what should be multiplied with the 8,000 to get the 32,000? Multiply with the 4. So 8,000 multiply 4, you will get 32. Okay, 32,000. So guys, we are guessing. What should be put here or what should be taken here? We are just guessing. I'm sorry. So what I'm telling you now, I mean, what should be taken here? We are just guessing now. What we are doing? Guessing. So how we are guessing directly? If you don't want to calculate like a child, no problem. Let's think in the mind. Okay. Now, if you are just putting the 4 here, okay, if you are putting the 4 here, so 8,004 multiplied with the 4, little bit close to the 32,000. And now 16 is also there, so let's put the 4 here. So guys, 4 4 ja 16, carry 1 4 0 0 1 4 0 ja 0 4 2 ja 32. So now you can see there. So now after multiplying, we have to just put there. We have done that. Now what has been done here? So guys, it will be 4. So what is the square root of 1 6 0 3 2 0 16? The square root of this one equal to 4. Answer is there. Perhaps you understood a little bit game of this one, how to find the square root of all these numbers. You understand a little bit? Now your question. Any positive number, if you want to discuss anything? Copy as quickly as possible. Now you can solve all the questions that are given there. 1 to, I'm talking about 1 to 1 to 12. I hope you will do that. Okay, and 30 number, let's do quickly. I have some more time. You have only 30 seconds to copy this one. Get your point? Tell me now. So guys, you have 30 seconds only to copy all this one. Quickly, do it fast. We don't have time.